I am not a lender. What I want to do is give some initial information to let you know what you could start getting in order to start getting approved for that mortgage. Welcome everybody to the 69th episode of Coffee with Chuck. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. I've been getting a lot of financial questions earlier, or not earlier, but in the last week or so. So I wanted to go over some of those items here. I am not a lender. What I want to do is give some initial information to let you know what you could start getting in order to start getting approved for that mortgage. I have some points here that could, get you to get the next stage. So here are a couple ideas. One, understand different types of mortgages: conventional, jumbo, FHA, VA, 203K, all different types of loans. Which one would benefit you the most? That's kind of what you have to do, some of those initial searches for that. You want to compare rates and loan terms from multiple mortgage lenders. You can search for the best rates online and all those things, but I also recommend you using a reputable local lender. We got some of those lenders that are out of country. So crazy. They don't know the rules that's happening here in Illinois. So make sure that you know what is happening, and that you have somebody here that you could trust. Like I said, I have very reputable lenders and preferred guys that I've used in the past that I know that could get the job done. Be sure to ask plenty of questions. Your lender should be able to tell you an estimate on how long the process should take, which steps will take online or in person, how long an interest rate lock can be extended to in case closing gets pushed out, things like that. Most importantly, get your financial house in order. Work on your credit, work on your debts, make sure you get low debt to incomes, don't quit your job, stuff like that. That will help you qualify for the lowest rates. Getting down payment and closing costs ready as well. Speaking about down payment and closing costs, Charles, I'm buying a home, but I haven't saved up for 20%. Can I get a loan from a relative or friend to get that 20%? All right. First of all, you don't need 20% to buy a home, because according to NerdWallet, only about 43.2% of U.S. home buyers make 20% down payments. But if you want to qualify for the best interest rate and avoid paying PMI or MI, which is mortgage insurance, you will want 20% down. If you don't have a cash, but a friend or relative are willing to pitch in, here are some of the things you need to know. It's not advisable to accept a personal loan as a down payment because it increases your debt to income ratio, sometimes beyond the lender's limits. It signals to the lender that you're a risky borrower because you're borrowing and getting loan from a friend or family and the bank. And Fannie Mae, a government sponsored company that guarantees conventional loan, does not allow it. So what is acceptable? Not a loan from a personal not a personal loan, a gift. Getting a gift is acceptable, generally from a family member or friend. You need a letter stating that there's no obligation from the person that's giving you the gift that you need to pay it back. That's the difference between getting the loan and getting a gift. The gift is you're not going to pay it back. So example, if a grandparent or parent would like you to give you a gift for part or all your down payment, they have to give documentation and write a letter saying that it is a gift and you don't have to pay it back. With that being said, man, right now is a good time to be a home buyer. As the housing market moves past post-pandemic real estate frenzy, opportunities are coming up for both sellers and buyers. It's a great time to do both. On the buyer side, they've been a disadvantage for the last couple of years, low inventory, but there's more choices now than they had a year ago. The increasing inventory means that fewer homes are receiving multiple offers, because when you have multiple offers, that's a bidding war, and then bidding wars drives up prices, and then fewer homes selling above asking. The price appreciation is finally slowing down. On the seller side, sellers in a good position because they have record highs of prices with equity. So opportunity to sell and cash out to purchase the next home. But like I said, both for a good side, both sides look good. So market looks good. Anyways, if you're thinking about making a move, selling, buying, even investing, some of those are coming up too. Hit me up. Would love to talk to you. If you want any more financial questions on your specific situation, I could hook you up with one of my lenders. That's all I have for you guys today. Have a great Friday. Have an even greater weekend. And I'll see you guys next week. Cheers.